Cut.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Tay
And Joseph.
and we're back with another freaking video. Now, I know we've been going for a minute, like almost 2 months now, and that's because life got in the way. So yeah,
But now we're back.
yeah. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing something really crazy. I'm not really excited about this because I tried this sauce. I tried the noodle brand of this. It's like, what is it called? Budak. I think it's called like Budak. I tried this like 4 weeks ago and I did not take it well. If you want to check that out, it'll be on my other channel, which is Ayomonte, Ayomota. Check that video out. Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna love it.
Now that I realize what sauce it is, I don't really want to do it no more, so yeah.
So this is Chicken Express. Have you guys had that? If you haven't, you guys need to try it. It's so good. It's my favorite chicken spot. These are spicy tenders already. So then we're just gonna dump them in the bowl and like pour the sauce on them. Yeah. Can they see it good? There's still this much left. This much.
Okay, so there it goes.
That's so much. Let's pour some on top for good luck.
No. Okay. Alright guys, y'all ready to see me get tortured?
And y'all ready to see me have a good time?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This is called the Nuclear Chicken Tenders Challenge.
Ready? I'm ready.
They're 13.
You ready? Okay. You got this. You can do it. Are we counting how many? Exquisite.
Okay.
Also, he eats fast. I eat slow. I've been waiting to eat this.
I have it. Ugh. I don't want that one.
That's really sweet. I'll have this one. This one has a lot on it.
Power on.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. It's not as bad as the
Noodles? Really? Maybe because the noodles are hot. Like temperature wise.
Uh-huh. Okay, that's my second one.
I'm still on the second one. It's getting hot.
Look at it.
They should sell them like that.
No. They should have. You don't want them to drink?
Low key, my throat is dry.
That's my third one?
This is my third one. I want something to drink just because I want something to drink in my food.
Oh, it's getting hot.
He's sweating so much.
Take big bites. Stop playing.
I can't take big bites.
Come on.
I'm not a big bite type of gal. I just take nibbles. Just kidding, not nibbles. This is my fourth one.
I can feel the sweat dripping.
I just have a runny nose. You're doing good.
I might drink some water. I'm gonna drink water.
Lose.
And if I drink the water, I can still eat.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna drink it.
Lose. Drink it. No, drink it.
Oh, my head, I feel like it's swollen. Swollen up. My lips burn.
I feel like the Coke.
My lips are burning even more when I drunk that.
Yeah, the Coke made it worse.
It do have like a little sweet taste to it. All right, guys, so there you have it. We tried the nuclear chicken tender challenge. I don't quite remember how many I ate, maybe 5, I don't know.
We'll do a count and we'll like edit that part in to see who ate the most.